Dear viewers, how are you doing today? I'm sure you are doing well. What do you see on the screen right now? A white blank slide, right? Okay, let's continue. Sometimes we get into a situation where we need to pull data from two different tables in one table. Something like what you can see on the screen right now. In today's session, we will discuss how to solve this situation. I have created three tables to discuss and explain the solution. As you can see, table 1 has 5 columns, and the table 2 has 4 different columns, and table 3 has 3 different columns. And the common data point in all the tables is, you can see here, we have got the product ID. So product ID is available in all the three tables. Now, the problem that we need to address is, in this table, where we need to calculate the sales amount, we need to bring in the rate or price. So, how to go about this? Some of you may say that it's very simple. We can use VLOOKUP function to solve this problem. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. So we will use the formula VLOOKUP. The lookup value is the product ID. The table array, let's say this is our table that we are going to use. And the price, here we need to enter the column index number. So the price is in 4th column. So we will place 4 here. And here, range lookup, we can just enter 0 and click on OK. So yes, for product ID MO-101, which is this, the price is 800. So we got the result. Now let's drag this formula throughout the table. And let's see what's the result. Oops. In some of the fields or some of the cells, we got the price, but in some of the fields, it is showing as NA. Why it is showing NA? Where is ME-401? ME-401 is in this table. Now, what is the solution? Some of you may say that we can sort the data in table 1 based on column E, so that all the values, or sorry, all the cells or all the data points where we have NA will be at one place, and we can again use the VLOOKUP. Yes, there is one possible solution, but is there a solution using which we can complete this exercise in one go without missing on any of the data points or any of the data items? Let's see. So let's remove this. And yes, we definitely have a solution for this. And this solution is nothing but a combination of two functions of Excel, that is if error function and VLOOKUP. So let's see how we can use these two functions in combination to solve this problem. So let's start entering the formula. If error, bracket start, the function that we are going to use is VLOOKUP. So what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is product ID, comma, the table or array from where we need to read the value. This is our first table array, table or array. So let's freeze it using the dollar signs. Then again, comma, from which column we need to read the value or the returning value. It is in column 4. So let's key in 4, comma. We will use false exact match, bracket close, comma. Now, this is what we have asked the system, that this is the first function that the system needs to perform. Now, if there is an error, then what is the function it needs to, we want the Excel to perform for us. Again, we will use VLOOKUP. Now, again, the lookup value that is in cell C3, comma, table array. Now, this time we will use the second table. And let's again freeze this, comma, column index. Now, in the second table, which is table number 3, the price is not in column 4. The price is in column 3. So we will place here 3, comma, false exact match, bracket close. So now we have closed the second bracket. Now we need to close the total bracket or the entire function. We can just press enter. Now let's drag and see what is the result. So see here, using this function, we were able to pull data in this table from these two different tables which were not of uniform size or shape or form. So this is as simple as that. Hope you liked the session. And if you have liked the session, please like, share, and subscribe our videos.